guys, welcome to another video. Thank you so much for watching all my previous videos and all the support I've been receiving. I truly appreciate it. So today's video is going to be a little bit different than my previous videos. It's not so much of an install, it's more of a follow me around my typical Sundays. So yeah, I am going to be changing out my fourth brake light, so I'll include clips of me doing that, but I'm not going to go into detail. I'll show you guys which one I'm going to be installing later on. But yeah, I'm actually going to go wash my car right now, and then tonight I have a photo shoot to go to. It's not for me, it's for my friend Lauren, so you guys are going to meet her. She drives a BRZ, and here's her Instagram. Go ahead and give her a follow. I'm going to go ahead and go wash my car with her right now, and then I'll install my light, and then I'll take you guys with me to the photo shoot. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alrighty, so time for the mini install. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the F1 light. I'll show you guys what it looks like now, and then I'll show you the process and then what it'll look like after. It should be pretty quick. The only thing is I did get this F1 light from Subaru. I purchased it from him because he was partying out. Sad story, but his WRX is gone and now he is driving a Tesla. I'll show you guys what it looks like later, since I'm gonna go to the photo shoot and he's gonna be the one behind the camera. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm looking at the wiring. It's a little bit different than the one that I have on right now, so I'm gonna try to figure it out. Hopefully it's not too difficult, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set up the camera and then install it. So I was just making sure that I can use the same wiring, but fortunately I can't, because these are actually connected to the actual F1 light versus the other one. It has like a little plug and play feature. So I'm gonna have to rewire it, so wish me luck. I have 2 hours before I go to the shoot. Hopefully I finish. It should take me way less time than that, but you know how it goes. Okay, so I was able to plug it in up here. Now I just need to go under the car, pull out the light, and then put the new one. This is my old light here, and then you see the back, they're attached, but I can't detach them, so that's why I had to take off. I couldn't use the same harness, but yay, at least that's done. So let me throw on the new one. Alright, so now that it's plugged in, I'm gonna go ahead and test it. So I'm gonna set up the camera and then I'll review the footage because I'm by myself, so I can't have somebody tell me if it's working or not. So I'm gonna set up the camera and I'll review the footage and hopefully it works. So I reviewed the footage and everything looks good. I'm so happy the way it turned out. Honestly, it looks so good. I'm gonna include some clips right now so you guys can see what it looks like all together. But oh my gosh, I'm in love with it. I'm so glad that I changed it out. I love the other one, don't get me wrong, but it was so subtle that you couldn't really tell. It was pretty dark. This one, since it's white, it matches my tail lights and it just looks so nice. It's a nice contrast. Honestly, I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and include some clips, and after that I'll see you guys at the shoot with Subu and Lauren. Hey guys, so this is my friend Lauren. She drives a 2013 BRZ, and follow her on Instagram at BRZLow. Today we actually came to do a photo shoot for her car, so that's what we're doing right now. That's Subu's car, and then I parked in the front, and then that's her car, and that's Subu working his magic. But yeah, I'm just gonna include some clips of the photo shoot, and yeah, this is Lauren. Do you want to say anything?
It's a work in progress right now, but we'll get there.
Yes, we will all get there. Mine is too, so we all start somewhere, right? Yeah, but I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. It's just gonna be mostly just clips of us here at the photo shoot. Alright guys, and this is Subu.
What's up?
No longer Subu because he sold his Subi.
I'm still a Subaru owner at heart. You know?
At heart, but what do you own now?
A Tesla.
A Tesla. Damn. So why'd you sell the Zubi? Why'd you sell
the Zubi?
Why'd you sell
the Zubi? The Zubi.
Why'd you sell the Subi?
I sold the Zubi because of that right there. Well, actually, I can't even see it right there.
Okay, and why'd you?
It's to save the population. I don't even know the population. Environmental, environmental cause. I'm trying to save the earth.
But why'd you switch to something slower than a Subi?
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm just kidding.
I'll do 50% throttle. How about that?
Kidding. Wow, look at the Tessie. Look at the interior LED lights. He already switched them to the aftermarket ones. Let me try opening it because I don't know how to open a Tesla. Ooh, look at how bright that is. And the footwell lights too. I kind of did the same thing on my car. I don't know if you guys remember my first video, but hit them up if you guys want to upgrade your LED interior lights. Alrighty guys, so we are reaching the end of my video, but before I go, I do just want to explain what happened with my state ref. A lot of you guys left comments saying that you guys were curious as to what happened. So I'm just gonna briefly explain what happened. Basically, I was driving and I was speeding a little bit. I was on the freeway and a highway patrol actually caught me speeding. So he pulled me over and he decided to state rough my car. He's asking me a few questions and yeah, he decided that he wanted to state rough my car. So it is what it is. I'm not sure if he was just upset or maybe he was just having a bad day, but instead of giving me like a fix-it ticket, he decided to stay rough me. I'm just grateful that it was just my exhaust. Like I don't have any other mods, so it wasn't too bad. I already corrected that part. I ended up taking off my exhaust and taking it to the referee. So I already fixed that. I have the certificate. All I'm waiting for is to pay the ticket, the actual speeding ticket. But yeah, it's just part of the game. I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate. We do have an expensive hobby and yeah, it just comes with it. But I will be more careful from now on. I learned my lesson. But yeah, so that's what happened to me. And another thing, my friend Subu is having a raffle. If you guys want to join, I will leave the link down below. He is raffling out SSR wheels, some headlights, and I believe some bezels. It's a pretty good raffle, so if you guys are interested in joining, go ahead and join. I entered and I hope I win. But yeah. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at STILiz. And if you guys are making any purchases off Rally Sport Direct, please use my code STILiz for 10% off. I'll see you guys on the next one.